What's going on? I'm KP the Builder.
And I'm Genoj, the Construction King.
And
we build builders. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk to you about some very important things that you need to understand if you're tearing down a house and you're building back a house. But before we get into the video and give you all this free knowledge and game, make sure you hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification button so you're notified when we put out videos. Because on this channel, my partner and I are always giving you guys tips and free game on how to build better houses and how to make money in real estate.
Now what you see behind me is a total new construction, but originally when we bought this lot, we paid $399,000 for a renovation. We planned on doing an addition when we first started. The house was roughly 850 square feet when we purchased it, but at this point now, it's right at 3,000 square foot. And that is the same amount of square footage that was on the plans when we originally started doing an addition. So we were going to do an addition for another 2,200 square feet, but ended up having to tear the house completely down because of the subfloor, because of the bad wood rot, and every other thing that was going on with this house. We didn't see these things until our framer/demo team was demoing and discovered all of these bad pieces of wood, this rotting subfloor, and everything else going on with the foundation. So it was to our best interest to just demolish and start with a new slate. And with our expertise, we already know that when it comes to these older houses, it's pretty much easier to do new construction than to renovate a house that's 70, 80 years old. We got everything squared away, and now we're here at this point.
So hit that link below and tap into some of these resources so we can help you learn how to build, learn the skill set so you can start building generational wealth. We don't care if you don't have any experience in construction, any experience in real estate, we can teach you.
That's right, guys. Remember, direction is more important than speed. So let's all get in the right direction and let's go.
So KP has told you guys what we paid for the house and some of the things that we had to go through. Now I'm going to give you some pro tips on things that you need to consider, because if you don't consider these things, they can end up costing you a lot of money. Number one, make sure you have a really good architect, because we bought this house with plans already in place, but the plans did not match up with what was actually here. So we had to make some adjustment with the plans and get our engineer involved so that everything matched. Also, when we tore the house down, there were a lot of parts of the foundation we could not save. So we had to get an engineer involved and come back and fix and build on and add on to the foundation. One other thing that you need to consider if it's an older house, if that house has asbestos. We had to get this house tested for asbestos. So there are a lot of things that you need to consider when you're tearing down a house and building back a new house. After we did all those things, the project really did go smoothly, but turning this small ranch house now into a 2-story house that's over 3,000 square feet. So guys, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel. On the next video, we're going to take you inside the house and show you everything that we've done inside so you can see what it looks like now. But before I do that, take a look at some of these old pictures and see what it used to look like when we first bought it.